In this video, you are going to see how to align our table horizontally and vertically in the center of a page in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Table and choose a 3 by 3 table. Now select the table, go to Table Layout. Let us decrease the width and increase the height. Now I want to put it vertically and horizontally. Click on over here, click on right button, go to Table Properties and click on Table and click on Center and click on OK. Then it will be in the middle horizontally. I want to keep it also in the vertically. So go to Layout, click on over here the Page Setup option. Then go to the Layout option and click on Vertical Alignment and click on Center and click on OK. Then it will be aligned vertically and horizontally. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.